Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Fendi baguette. This one is from Topcop. They are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, so they have all kinds of designer on there: Fendi, Chanel, Prada, Gucci, Louis, like all kinds of stuff. But I had my eye on this one, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So it does come with the box for you, so love that. And guys, this bag is so pretty. So it does come with a dust bag as well, and then also it does come with like a little shopping bag. So let's get into the actual purse, you guys. So pretty, so gorgeous. I love this brown color. I think this is just so gorgeous. Like, this is such a beautiful bag. I love the like brass gold hardware on here. I love that I have the option of wearing it top handle, or I can wear a crossbody, or I can have both of these on because they have two loops on the side. So the design of this bag is just gorgeous. I love that there's enough room on the inside. I'm just in awe of the color. Like, one more time up close, y'all. The color is so pretty. Okay, this is the inside, so you guys can see it says Fendi on there, and then you have the inside of the bag, and it just comes with this little card. So plenty of space. I feel like it has a nice roomy amount. You can see Fendi on the hardware there, and it does have this little zipper. So I love that added detail to it. So yeah, you just close it. Guys, such a gorgeous bag. The construction of it's really nice. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. This is the side, this is the bottom, the other side, and the top. I cannot wait to wear this bag, y'all. When I took it out, I was just like, this is such a gorgeous purse. This is my favorite one so far that I've gotten from any of the other websites that have Fendi, because I've had like the other crossbody and I've had another one that was shoulder, but this is my favorite one. I'm keeping this one. This is so gorgeous. I love the strap. Let me actually show y'all that a little bit better. So it's a two-toned brown strap, so I do have the option of wearing a crossbody if I don't want it on my shoulder, and I just think that's such a nice option to this bag. I love that I can wear it in different ways. So I will have this bag linked in the description box below for you guys, and as usual I will have a discount code so you guys can save some money off of your purchase. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.